mySociety is an e-democracy project of the UK-based registered charity named UK Citizens Online Democracy. It began as a UK-focused organisation with the aim of making online democracy tools for UK citizens. However, as those tools were open source, the code could be and soon was redeployed in other countries. mySociety's more recent mission has been to simplify and internationalize its code to make it easier for people all over the world to run citizen-empowering websites. Additionally, through the POP+ project, it hopes to encourage others to share open-source code that will minimize the amount of duplication in civic tech coding. Like many non-profits, mySociety sustains itself with a mixture of grant funding and commercial work, providing software and development services to local government and other organizations. mySociety was founded by Tom Steinberg in September 2003, and started activity after receiving a £250,000 grant in September 2004. Steinberg says that it was inspired by a collaboration with his then-flatmate James Crabtree, which spawned Crabtree's article, Civic Hacking: A New Agenda for E-Democracy. In March 2015, Steinberg announced his decision to stand down as the director of mySociety. In July of that year, Mark Ridge became the organization's new CEO. Projects They Work For You is a parliamentary monitoring website which aims to make it easier for UK citizens to understand what is going on in Westminster as well as Scottish Parliament, the Welsh Assembly and the Northern Ireland Assembly. It also helps create accountability for UK politicians by publishing a complete archive of every word spoken in Parliament, along with a voting record and other details for each MP, past and present. mySociety platform is free and open-source software which enables anyone to run a map-based website, an app that helps people inform the local authority of problems needing their attention, such as potholes, broken street lamps, etc. The UK version is mySociety.com. Alivetelli is free and open-source software to help citizens write freedom of information requests and automatically publish any responses. The UK version is What Do They Know? Write to Them is a website which allows UK citizens to contact their elected representatives. Users do not need to know their representatives' names. Instead, using the mySociety software Mapit, the site matches their postcode to its various constituency boundaries. Before displaying elected representatives at all levels of UK government from local councillors to MEPs, users can send messages to them from the site. Responses are then sent directly to the user's email address. Pombola is free open-source software for running a parliamentary monitoring website inspired by They Work For You. Mapimental is free and open-source software for displaying journeys in terms of how long they take, rather than by distance, a technique also known as isochronous geospatial mapping. POP+. POP+ is an international federation of organizations who benefit through the sharing of civic code and online technologies. It was set up in April 2014 by mySociety in collaboration with Chilean e-democracy organization Fundación Ciudadano Inteligente. POP+ encourages the development of free, open-source civic blocks of software, which it terms components. These are intended to save time for anyone making one of the classic civic tech tools for parliamentary monitoring, accountability, transparency, etc. In 2014, Nominet awarded POP+ a place in the Nominet Trust 100 equals POP+ components equals. The following components were developed by mySociety. Those developed by other organizations may be seen on the POP+ website. SAYAT. Software for publishing transcripts of debates, e.g., from parliaments. court proceedings and meetings. Write 8. Software for running a site that enables users to write to politicians, in public or private. myPit. Software for matching a geographical point with its legislative boundaries. myPit underlies several mySociety websites such as Fix My Street and Write to Them, where it allows for a user to input a postcode and be matched to the correct authority or representative. Other projects. Active equals. Every politician. Storing and sharing data on every politician in the world. In structured open data. Gaze. A gazetteer web service. Discontinued or passed to new owners. Downing Street e-petitions. mySociety developed the original solution for publishing petitions on the website of the Prime Minister's office. Pledge Bank. Allowed users to make pledges of the format, I will do X if Y number of people agree to do the same. HassleMe. A website that sends reminders sporadically. Now run independently of mySociety. From Yomp. A site encouraging MPs to email their constituents. Closed May 2015. Fix My Transport. A site, in the model of Fix My Street, for contacting any transport operator in Britain about problems with public transport. Correspondence was published online. The site ran from 2011 to 2015. Pop-it. Storage of open data on politicians. Scenic or Not. A gamification-powered site which invites users to rate photographs according to their scenicness. The results fed into Mappymental. In 2015, Scenic or Not was passed over to the Warwick Business School, where it is being used to track the correlation between health and the beauty of one's surroundings. Groups Near You. A map-based application that enabled users to find local community groups in the local area. Note Apathetic. A site where people who planned not to vote in the United Kingdom general election 2005 could explain why. Plusiopedia. An online gazetteer consisting of a mashup of Google Maps and the English Wikipedia. See also. Civic hacking. Chris Lightfoot. Digital Citizen. Francis Irving. Open Government. Public Whip. Official website. UK Citizens Online Democracy. The charity that owns mySociety. Charity Commission. UK Citizens Online Democracy. Registered charity No. 1,076,346. Freedom of Information. Going Beyond the Scoop. Journalism. Co. UK.